Welcome back to campustech. Hello, thanks for joining me again. Today I have very special video for you. You can make 300 short YouTube video, Facebook Reels or Insta Reel in just 30 minutes. Yes, that is correct. You can make 300 short videos just in 30 minutes with 2 or 3 simple steps. So let's dive in. Make sure you don't skip videos. You have to follow step by step that all thing. So let's start. So first, all you need to do, you need to go into chatgpt. If you can see, this is a chat.openai.com. So you need to make account in this website. Since I have already account, so I just skip that step. So what you need to do, you can ask anything, any question from that AI, and I'll give you answer. Most of people know about that already. So what I will ask, so let's go with this step, then we will go after this. This is a Canva. Then we will make the video on that software, on this website. So let's go with the first step with the chat GPT. So let's ask, let's go with the riddles. So let's click here, riddle and answer in Excel format. So just let's make it 10. Okay, for example, I'm giving you an example, then you can do. So no, it is not giving me example. Stop. So what I do, riddle and answer in Excel format. Now I should give it. Here we go. Now it's giving me in table format. So what I do, so just watch and watch carefully. We'll go step by step. So now after this, when we generated this thing, after this we need to go into the Canva, and simple, you need to search YouTube short. So when you go, I'll give you a lot of samples things. Let's select any of them, let's click on it, go with this for example. So when you just double click, it'll open in the new windows and it'll give you more editing option. So what I need to do, so we have to first copy this thing and paste here, and again copy. So we need to make these 3, and on the bottom we can write our channel name, and here I can make I can ask the riddle, and here we can make the answer. So this is a sample and it has 8 seconds. As you can see, we can change the color and everything. We'll do the format, and then I'll show you how I can download the chat GPT results here. So let's go into the chat GPT, and before that, what you need to do, you need to search Google Sheet on Google. You'll find that sheet. So just go into the chat GPT, copy this all these answers. Okay, just simply copy, and all you need to do is paste here, and it'll give you that result. So as you can see, as simple as give you 10 riddles and their answers. So technically so now we go with let's come back to Canva, and what we will do, we'll do little formatting for that thing. No, that's a little big. Go with this, easy peasy. And I can reduce the writing because it's going to be big text here. So let's go with 21. Oh no, that's too small. So let's make it 35. Okay, so here is a 35, and this is we are making for the answers. So let's change it a little bit. That should be changed from the top one. So let's make this one. So answer should be a little bold and clear. So this is my channel. You can write like this, and you can make it a little bold, or you can do a little smaller. Make sure you put your channel so everybody knows where it's coming from, and you can get more subscribers and more more traffic on your channel. So let's go with the other step. So make sure you go through every step. So after formatting and everything, what you need to do, you need to go in this option. You'll find this. If you cannot find this option here, you can on your left side, so you can go into the application and you'll find this. When you click, it'll show this, it will appear in your left side. So when you just click on it, the bulk create, you'll find these two options. So what you need to do, you need to enter data manually, as you can see. So after paste this thing, click done. As you can see, there are a couple of two data field identified. So now what we need to do, we need to just connect this thing at the top one. See, if you go here is connect data. So the first one is riddles, the other one is the answer. So we will go one by one. So the connect data, we need to click here. So these are answers, okay. These are riddles, and now when we click left click, and you'll find these are answers. So first this thing, so let's do little more formatting and do continue. So when you do continue, I'll say generate 9 pages. So first let make format, let do formatting for the one page, then it will apply for all 10s. So let's do little formatting. I don't need this the brackets, so that we can put into bracket, because that is the answer. So let's go a little bit more, and I can change the color here. Yeah, it looks more effective, I think, more visible. So I can change this thing, so it will do. Okay, so let's do little formatting with answers. Oh, no, that's not good. What do you think? Let's go with this, and make sure you don't forget to format your channel. As here we go. So this is the little formatting. So now it's time to, when you right click on it, you'll see this menu show timing. So make sure you do that step very efficiently. As you can see, this is the purple thing. This riddle, this goes all the way down. So what we need to do, we need to just reduce it until here, okay, and then we need to right click on these things, okay, and it says, it shows the timing. So what we do until here. So when the riddle is complete, the answer will appear. So as you can see, we can try here. Let's start from there. As you can see, it is going here, and after, when it's disappear, here is the answer. Or we can make the first one position, and we can make it a little more things, or we can ask it to stay. We can make it, if you want to stay all the way, we can just put it here. So now you can see the first riddle come, and then when it's finished and then answer appears, we need to do little more formatting. So we need to just put on enter, so it will stay there. So let's see the final thing, what is going on. Perfect. So now we need to add some sounds here. We can go into the audios. Let's find out some ocean wave or something. So now let's so everything is aligned. So now go back to the bulk create, as I just formatted everything on the first one. So let's click on generate, and you will, you can make 10 in one we already done, the 9 we will make it more. So just 10 in just one click, boom. Okay, so it's here, as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5. So everything is there. So all, see, you can change it if you want. You can change the background. If you want to change the color, you can do from other pattern, other slide, I mean. No, it's not. Here we go. So now you can see the second has a different color, and it goes all same thing. You can change it later on. I mean, if you want to do, you need to do a little more formatting. So let's stop it. You can change the color and everything. So the final part and the important part. So just click on share. You'll see the download. So make sure you just click here. The download pages as a separate file. Then you get 9 videos. If you want to go with the HD, you can increase 4K or something. It depends on your choice. So just hit download, and it'll take a little time as depend on your internet. So it says completed. So let's go into the downloads. It's giving me these things, and let's cut, make new folder. Let's see if it's working. So now let's see if it works. Here we go. As you can see, that I opened, that was number 6, which means all are working and ready to go. So that's how you can make. You can do 30 or 40, and when you have, because it was a tutorial, so it takes a little time, but you can do so faster than that, and you can generate 20 or 30 at a time, and you can just make it in just like quick. So please like and follow and subscribe my channel and Facebook page, and you'll see more interesting videos and tech related videos. And about the Canva, you can get is just $12.99, which is nothing if you can make 300 videos a day.